Make egg fried rice at home that tastes like a five-star restaurant. Hi friends, it's Nancy here. Have you ever spent good money on a plate of fried rice only to feel a little disappointed with the taste? Today I'll share with you a simple way to make fried rice at home that's both affordable and full of flavor, just like a five-star restaurant. And stay with me because one small step in the middle can make a big difference. Now let's start with the most important part, the rice. For fried rice, I use rice that has already been cooked and cooled. Take some rice and gently separate it using your hands or a spoon. When the rice has cooled, it becomes slightly firmer and a bit drier, making it easier to separate the grains when stir-frying. Freshly cooked hot rice may seem convenient, but it usually contains more moisture, which causes the grains to stick together during cooking. Next, crack a few eggs into a bowl, then carefully separate the yolks from the whites. Set the whites aside. I'll use them later. Pour the egg yolks directly over the rice. Use a spoon or a fork to gently mix, making sure the yolk lightly coats each grain. Do you see that? As you mix, the rice turns a light golden color and becomes evenly coated with the egg yolk. This is an important step that many people often skip, but it helps protect the grains and prevents them from sticking together during cooking. It also gives the fried rice a beautiful color and a richer, more balanced flavor. Do you have your own fried rice recipe at home? Feel free to share it in the comments. I'd love to learn more kitchen tips from you. Now set the plate of rice aside and prepare the remaining ingredients. I use a few sausages, cut them into thin strips, then into small, even pieces. Cutting them small helps them blend well with the rice. You can also use a small piece of pork ham or any meat you prefer. Next, prepare the vegetables. A combination of carrots, corn, or even a little cucumber can add both color and freshness. Peel and cut the carrots into small pieces and do the same with the other vegetables. Try to keep everything about the same size so they cook evenly and look balanced on the plate. I really enjoy how the gentle, natural sweetness of carrots blends beautifully with the crisp, refreshing taste of cucumber, creating a light and delicate balance without overpowering the other flavors. Finally, don't forget the green onions. Chop them finely and set them aside. They will add a light, fresh aroma to the dish. At this point, all your ingredients are cleaned and ready, making the cooking process much smoother and much more enjoyable. If there's anything you're unsure about, feel free to leave a comment. I'll share the full recipe for you in the comments below. Place a pan on the stove over low heat. Add a little cooking oil, just enough to coat the surface. When the oil is hot, add the carrots and corn first and stir continuously until they are just cooked through. These two ingredients take the longest to cook, so be patient with this step. After about 2 minutes, add the sausage and the remaining vegetables and stir quickly. You'll notice the colors become more vibrant and the aroma starts to spread. After about 20 to 30 seconds, remove the vegetables and set them aside. Quickly sautéing like this helps soften the vegetables slightly while keeping their bright color and natural sweetness. It also ensures they won't be too firm when you cook them again later. Now comes the most important step to make your fried rice taste like a five-star restaurant. Be sure to watch closely how I do this. In the same pan, pour in the egg whites you set aside earlier and cook over low heat. When the whites begin to set, use a spatula to break them into small, soft pieces. Then add the rice that has been mixed with the egg yolks. Begin stirring gently. Use the spatula to press and lift the rice, making sure the grains don't stick together. Keep the heat at medium and continue stirring. I remember when I first started making egg fried rice, I was always unsure whether to cook the eggs first or the rice first. No matter how I tried it, never turned out quite right. But once I learned the proper method, everything became much easier and the texture improved so much. Look at this. After a minute or two, the grains become lighter and start to separate in the pan. This is a good sign that the rice is cooking properly. Now return the cooked toppings to the pan. Gently mix everything so the ingredients are evenly combined. Add a little salt and pepper to taste. Stir a few more times until everything is well mixed. Before serving the fried rice, remember to add the chopped green onions at the very last step. Simply sprinkle the green onions over the rice and give it a quick stir. You'll notice how the dish instantly feels fresher and more balanced. It's a simple step, but it brings a soft, pleasant finish to your fried rice that many people really enjoy. Have you tried this method before? Let me know how it turns out for you. Now, transfer the rice to a plate and enjoy. Your fried rice will have a warm golden color with small touches of green and orange that make it look fresh and inviting. As the steam rises, you'll notice a gentle aroma of egg garlic and green onions coming together in a very comforting way. With one bite, wonderful, you'll notice the balance, a light and fluffy texture, and a rich flavor without feeling heavy. With just a little care and a simple method like this, you can turn everyday ingredients into a truly delicious meal. If you enjoy this recipe, feel free to share it with others who might like it too. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple and practical cooking tips.